A junkyard find, Mercury Cougar. Not really sure what year it is. As you can see, it's a really solid car. It's got stickers from '93. Got a nice tan interior. See-through floors. It's like four-wheel steering too. Yeah, there's the axle mount. It's perfect. Wheel well's good shape. The whole bumper is completely gone. Let's see what's in the trunk, maybe. Yeah, nope, trunk's stuck. Trunk is lightweight. Is that 9-inch in there maybe? That might be rotted the hull too. This is what salt does to your car. It's spectacular. Look at this thing. Someone knew what they had. Holy cow, man. Dash don't look terrible. So I needed parts. Whole back of this car's gone. It's amazing. Door panel doesn't look bad. Good glass. Some usable parts. Two-barrel V8. Not really sure what it is. I don't see a sticker. There's a VIN for anybody that's interested in it. Remember, know what I got.